G'day all, time to announce the winner of my first giveaway for the OzGeoMuster 2019, and this Pathtag holder with the geocoin slot, a sticker for Fixit fingers and one of the Zalgariah Pathtags. Really excited to get down to this. I've got a list of all of the people who successfully entered and followed the conditions correctly. So how do we get the winner? We're going to let the Pathtag decide who it wants to go home with. It's a good old coin toss, or tag toss as the case may be. Heads v tails. Let's narrow it down and see who is taking home the prize pack. So if you've got a heads on the Zalgariah side, you're still in it. You got a tails, you're out, I'm afraid. Round two. Oh, we're down to two left. It's Shifter Brains versus 4-mole family. Heads for shifters, tails for 4-mole. Let's see how it goes. And the winner is Shifter Brains. I've met shifters quite a few times over the years. They've been around for absolute ever. And I really hope you enjoy this Pathtag geocoin holder, guys, and I look forward to seeing you at the Mega as well. Don't forget, if you're unlucky enough not to win today, that in June, I think, I'm going to have another promotion for the OzGeoMuster. It'll be another similar-ish, but not the same sort of thing. If you really like this, then you can head over to my Facebook page now, and if you pre-order for pickup at the Mega, I'll knock $5 off the price of that exact model of Pathtag holder. If you don't like this particular model, but have a suggestion of something you would like to see for sale, then please leave a comment or send me a personal message, and I will get back to you of how feasible it is and what it would likely to cost. And if it's a really nice idea, I may put them into mass production as well for other people to enjoy too. So I hope you've had fun with this little comp. It's my first time doing something like this. I'm really excited. Congratulations again to Shifter Brains, and I hope to see you all sometime around my YouTube channel perhaps, if not down at the Oz Mega in July. Catch you soon.